Goodness, for crying out.
Welcome back to AM Northwest. Well, do you diet and exercise but still can't lose the love handles? Or maybe that tummy pooch didn't go away after the baby weight was gone? So here to share a way to get rid of it once and for all, please welcome from Aesthetic Medicine, Dr. Jerry Darm, along with patient Nancy Busch.
Oh,
Good to have you both here. Yeah.
Applause today.
You love the applause, don't you, Dr. Darm?
Incredible.
We're talking about LipoLift. Tell us how LipoLift works.
LipoLift is a laser that is placed underneath the skin. It's minimally invasive, it's not very traumatic, and it actually melts the fat underneath the skin. And then the fat is extracted with a small cannula. So it's, you know, the size of a straw, a couple of little spots underneath, and you're wide awake. And, you know, there's very little downtime and pain following the procedure.
And what areas do you use it for usually?
Oh gosh, we can go under the chin, under the arms, we can do the tummy, or, you know, the flanks, or inside the thighs. So pretty much anywhere, almost anywhere that fat
was hanging out.
Where you don't want it.
Right. So Nancy, you decided to see Dr. Darm, but what was it that motivated you?
I think it's just the way my body was changing once I turned 40.
Yeah.
You know, everything kind of settles, and I like to call it my shelf that I wasn't happy with anymore.
Right.
And just regular exercise wasn't really taking care of it.
So you went to see him and you had him work on the tummy?
Absolutely, yes.
The tummy, the size. Let's take a look at before and after. Dr. Darm, describe what we're seeing here.
Well, if you can pinch an area in, like, your tummy, for example, if you can grab it and pinch it, then it can be reduced. You know, you can't take away the fat underneath the muscle, but
right.
above the muscle you can. And it's, you know, it should be forever. You know, the fat cells are gone. So, you know, the fat can't reaccumulate in that area. And so that's really, you know, dramatic in terms
Nancy,
of...
that looks great. How did you feel after the surgery, and what kind of recovery time did you have?
I felt fabulous after the surgery, and my husband, he was just shocked. He didn't really think that the results were going to be so dramatic.
Yeah.
Really, my love handles were completely gone. I had a waist again, and the recovery time was probably very minimal. I mean, I want to say a week, maybe. I think you told me it was going to be 3 weeks, but I felt pretty good after a week.
And how does it change your mental attitude?
I'm wearing things and doing things I haven't done in a while because I feel a whole lot more comfortable.
So what happens at your office that is different than other offices, Dr. Darm?
Well, you see the doctor first, me, oftentimes, and then you'll have a physical exam by the doctor who actually performs the procedure, and then, you know, after the doctor's in attendance, obviously during, and then after you'll see one or the other of us 2 or 3 times and review the pictures to make sure that you're happy. So, you know, we really want 100% of our customers to be satisfied.
And you've got your new facility, which is very nice.
Yep, over in LO.
Okay. So tell me more about if someone wants to see you, what should they keep in mind? Who is a good candidate?
Well, anybody below the age of 70 that has some fat that they just can't seem to exercise off, or that, you know, the efforts at weight loss just haven't worked, and it's just those little extra areas. So many of our patients that come to us work out, they're athletes, they're you know, they just have a tiny area that they want to get rid of, or in some cases much larger areas that you know, that they want to reduce.
We want to tell folks then too, if they'd like to find out more information, it's pretty easy. Contact Aesthetic Medicine in Lake Oswego, the number 503-697-9777, and we'll also put that information for you on our website at k2.com. Thank you both very much.
Thank you
and you look
so
great,
much.
Nancy. You look great.